Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Logistics Hub initiative in Jamaica. Now, as you know, Jamaica is ideally located geographically. We have the Panama Canal to the left and our major trading partner to the right, which is the US. So they are trying to get logistics hubs up and running in Jamaica. You've heard them talk about Vernon Field in Clarendon to be a logistics hub. Although not sure how far that project has started or how far they've reached with that project, but the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority is the one that is trying to get these logistics hubs up and running. So we're going to go through an article that gives the latest on what's going on with the Logistics Hub initiative. The Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority continues to make positive strides in the development of Jamaica's Resilient Logistics Hub initiative. This, this strategic endeavor is poised to revolutionize the region's economic landscape by leveraging Jamaica's geographic location and fostering collaboration among Caribbean nations. We are right at the center of the world, and if you know anything about us being little but Talawa, we punch above our weight in so many different ways, in so many different areas. And so what we want to do is to capitalize on that, said the agency's Chief Executive Officer, Kelly Dawn Hamilton. She pointed out that coupled with our resilient spirit, Jamaica's location as a pivotal point in global shipping routes positions it as a formidable force on the world stage. She said that the initiative is a testament to Jamaica's commitment to harnessing innovative technologies and collaborative practices to thrive in a post pandemic world. Mrs. Hamilton said that by embracing concepts such as friendshoring and cooper- cooperation, Jamaica is fostering synergetic relationships within the Caribbean community, CARICOM, because we've recognized as countries that we can't go it alone. We must work together to leverage our competitive advantages. The CEO also acknowledged that while efforts are being made to further strengthen the logistics hub infrastructure, several factors must be taken into consideration for sustainable economic growth that benefits all Jamaicans to be achieved. Mrs. Hamilton said that how goods and services move and are paid for, as well as what infrastructure is in place to facilitate trade, airports, seaports, and road networks, and e-commerce activities, online payments, and internet access must be taken into account. Integral to the success of the logistics hub, the initiative has also extended its benefits beyond established businesses to empower local entrepreneurs and suppliers, catalyzing a ripple effect of economic opportunities throughout the island. In order to be a logistics hub, we are not just talking about the activities that usually drive the hub, such as trade, but the supporting activities that must be in place in order to allow that to happen, Mrs. Hamilton highlighted. We're talking about the man on the street who could benefit from the increased economic activity and suppliers who can now supply to businesses that didn't exist before, she added. Moreover, a part of building out a hub includes the people who will be on the ground to take advantage of the job opportunities that will come into play. As Jamaica asserts its position as the logistical nexus of the Caribbean, the Logistic Hub initiative stands as a true testament to the nation's resilience, innovation, and commitment to inclusive economic development. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.